Okay, so now this is my transmitted data, correct? Now while transmitting a data, correct, while transmitting a data, suppose what I found is there is an error, correct? Let's say this is my transmitted data, fine. Now while transmitting a data, suppose one bit had changed. Now that bit which had changed is a D6 bit, suppose, correct? So data received at a receiver end is, what data received is fine. So data received is, suppose this was my data, correct? So what data, the data I will receive, I said that this bit 6 has been flipped. So say this has become 1. So data received is what, 1110101. So this is what is my data received, correct? So I hope you have understood with what data received.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second, I will delete this. Okay, so this is my data received and these are my positions of data received. So my data, there is a error in received data, but that is what, why I know that there is a error, because I only introduced the error, correct? But how to check it with the parity bits? So we have to do it with a proper flow, correct? So now we will again go and calculate this parity bits, correct? So what we have to do here, p1 को calculate करना है हमको, p1 को, correct? p1 already present है, so receiver side पे p1 कैसे calculate होता है? p1 receiver side पे p1 will be calculated as p1, then we have d1, we have d3 and we have d5. So with this all bits we will be calculating a p1 at a receiver end, correct? So क्या है अभी देखो, p1 पे क्या है, 1 है, correct?
मैम
So 1,
मैम वो D3 D5 D7 आएगा ना
yes, yes,
P1 के लिए?
हाँ, yes, correct, correct, d3 d5 d7 आएगा. Thank you very much. It should be d3 d5 and d7, correct? So what is at p1? p1 पे क्या है, 1 है, correct? अब मुझे बताओ p1 के बाद p3 पे क्या है, d3 पे क्या है, 1 है, right? d5 पे क्या है, 1 है, and d7 पे क्या है, 1 है, correct? So here I have a even parity, right? Here I already have a even parity, fine. So this is equal to, so here I have a even parity. Oh, why is it coming like this? This is my even parity. Fine. So this is my correct code, right? It is my correct code. Correct. Now we will calculate. So what will P1 will come here? See, this is what we are at a receiver end. So again, we will be writing it as it is having a correct parity. So P1 will become 0 over here. Correct. Now we will look at P2. P2. Correct. P2 कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? P2 को कैलकुलेशन के लिए है P2, right? Then we have d3, skip two numbers, so fourth and fifth position is to be skipped, and then take d6 and d7, right? Take d6 and d7. So this is what is my p2 is to be calculated. अब मुझे बताओ p2 की, अच्छा ठीक है, p2 की वैल्यू क्या है, 0 है, p3 की वैल्यू क्या, d3 की वैल्यू क्या है, 1 है, देन d6 की वैल्यू क्या है, 1 है, एंड d7 की वैल्यू क्या है, 1 है. So this is not a even parity, right? You can see here very well, this is not a even parity, it's a odd parity, correct? Now to make it as a even parity, what we have to do, p1 को 1 बनाओ, direct, because it is not a even parity, we will be making it as a 1 here. Now we will go and calculate P4. P4 को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है बताओ? P4 के लिए क्या आता है? P4, then D5, D6 and D7. These four numbers will be considered. Right? These four numbers will be considered to calculate the P4. अब जाओ P4 पे क्या है? P4 पे we have 0. D5 we have 1. D6 we have 1 and D7 we have 1. So again this is a odd parity. Correct? All of you there with me? This is odd parity. So P4 we will make it as 1. Correct? So P4 will make it as 1. Now we have made everything as a even parity and it's not coming as a even parity. It means that there is an error. Correct? Otherwise everything should come as a even parity. So if there is everything is not coming as even parity after recalculation at receiver end, it means that there is an error which has been introduced while transmitting a data. So that is what is my error detection. Now Hamming code helps for error correction as well. Hamming codes help for the error correction as well, right? So how does it help for the error correction? So what we are going to do is we will be rewriting the parity bits. We will be rewriting the parity bits as, correct? How we will be rewriting parity bits as? We will be writing it as P4 P2 एंड P1 ऐसे पूछे तो P4 का वैल्यू अभी क्या है 1, P2 का वैल्यू क्या है 1 एंड P1 का वैल्यू क्या है 0. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव recalculated at a receiver end, right? At a receiver end we have received something like this. So this is my recalculation at receiver end. Correct? So rewriting parity bits in the form of P4, P2, P1. Understood all of you? So now what does this in a decimal? What does this in a decimal? So this is equal to, it is equal to 6 in decimal, right? Is it equal to 6 in decimal? All of you there with me? So this is equal to 6 in a decimal. So what we will conclude, hence D6 has an error. So the actual is, so what's the actual data is? So what are the different positions? यहाँ D7 होता है, D6 होता है, D5, then we have P4, D3, P2 and P1, right? So what is the received data? Received data is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is my received data. What I said, what I concluded as, hence the D6 has a error, right? This is my conclusion, hence a D6 has an error. So D6 को flip कर दो, right? So I flipped this D6 value and my corrected data is this. My corrected data is this. So my corrected data is 1010101. करेक्ट. सो डेटा रिसीव्ड जो था उसमें एरर था, राइट? डेटा जो रिसीव था उसमें एरर था, दैट वी डोंट नो एक्चुअली. हमने ट्रांसमिट किया, रिसीव किया. हाउ वी अंडरस्टूड दैट देयर इज अ एरर? बिकॉज वी अगेन कैलकुलेटेड दिस पैरिटी बिट्स P1, P2, P4. करेक्ट है या नहीं? तो P1 तो इवन पैरिटी, सो इट मीन्स करेक्ट, बट P2, P4 भी इवन पैरिटी आने चाहिए तो, but they have come as odd parity. It means that there is an error while transmitting a data. This is my error detection, right? Now I am supposed to correct the error as well. So how I will correct the error? I will be rewriting these parity bits, newly calculated parity bits as in the position of P4, P2, P1, then 110, converting into the decimal format. So whatever number has come, at that position there is an error. So to correct the error, we will be flipping the value of that particular position. So this is my error correction in Hamming code. So this is my correction in Hamming code. Error detection and correction both, right? Detection / correction in Hamming codes. Understood all of you? What is error detection and correction in Hamming codes?